Hi guys, this is Sunil. Welcome to Houseplan. In this video, I'll show you 30 by 45 site floor plan of 4 floor house facing up site is north. Number of floor is G plus 3 typical floor plan. Typical floor plan means first floor, second floor and third floor have similar floor plan to first floor. Entrance is north. Main door entrance is provided towards north direction. This is the ground floor plan. This is the first floor plan. Let's see details of ground floor plan. This direction is north and this is east and this direction is south and this is west. Towards east 2 feet offset is provided. Towards west also 2 feet offset is provided. Towards south 3-inch gap is provided. Towards north 6-inch gap is provided for the elevation. And this entire area is provided for the parking. We can park here up to 6 to 7 cars. This is staircase of width 6 feet 3 inch. The first flight width is 3 feet and second flight width is 3 feet. In between two flight 3-inch gap is provided for the fitting railings. The mid landing width is 3 feet 3 inch. From this staircase we enter in clockwise direction into first floor. Let's see details of first floor plan. This is first floor. We enter from ground floor to first floor through this staircase in clockwise direction. First we enter into balcony of size 13 feet 6 inch by 6 feet 6 inch. This length is 13 feet 6 inch and this length is 6 feet 6 inch. In northeast corner main door is provided towards north facing. This is the living and dining area of size 12 feet 1.5 inch by 21 feet 1.5 inch. All outer walls are 9-inch brick wall. All inner walls are 4-inch brick wall. In southwest kitchen is provided of size 7 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 3 inch. This length is 7 feet half inch. This dimension is 10 feet 3 inch. In kitchen 2 feet wide L shape slab is provided. In kitchen we have back door to utility area of size 7 feet 8.5 inch by 3 feet 4 inch. This length is 7 feet 8.5 inch and this length is 3 feet 4 inch. In southwest corner have a master bedroom as per Vastu of size 12 feet by 12 feet 9 inch. This length is 12 feet and this length is 12 feet 9 inch. In master bedroom wardrobe is provided of size 2 feet wide. In master bedroom also have attached toilet of size 4 feet 3 inch by 7 feet 1.5 inch. This width is 4 feet 3 inch and this dimension is 7 feet 1.5 inch. Here one common wash basin is provided. At center of house, one puja room is provided of size 4 feet 4.5 inch by 5 feet. This width is 4 feet 4.5 inch and this width is 5 feet. In northwest side, another bedroom is provided of size 12 feet by 13 feet 10.5 inch. This width is 12 feet and this width is 13 feet 10.5 inch. Towards south facing wall 2 feet wardrobe is provided. Here we have a one common toilet of size 4 feet 10.5 inch by 6 feet 8 inch. Commode spacing is provided towards north direction. That means sitting position is north direction. Uh, Towards west shower is fitted. Towards west wall shower is fitted. Towards north a wash basin. Let's see details of doors and window size. The main door size is 3 feet 6 inch. In living area have a one big window of size 6 feet width. Have another window near to dining of width 3 feet. In kitchen near to sink we have a one window of size 3 feet width and 3 feet height. This window height is 4 feet. Here I have a back door towards for utility area of size 2 feet 6 inch. This toilet room door is width is 2 feet 6 inch and this bedroom width is 3 feet and this bedroom door width is 3 feet and puja room door width is 3 feet 3 inch. Here I have a toilet door of size 2 feet 6 inch. In master bedroom, one window is provided of size 4 feet width and 4 feet height at the center of wall towards west facing. In another bedroom also at the center of the wall towards west facing 4 feet window is provided. Thank you for the watching this video. Please subscribe to channel, press the bell icon and share with friends.